Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend it to check is your phone have the latest software version. If you have iPhone, open settings and go to the general settings, and right here we have software update line. Tap at that line and you check for updates, so update if you haven't the latest version. On Android you need to also go to the settings and then to the system, not to the general settings, and in the system you will find software update. After that, I recommend it to perform the software set. To perform the software set, put both your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. You can check it if you go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices. So right here we have no connection. And after that, open the charging case and reconnect and remove your earbuds from your case. And then these earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically and we have connection. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so if you have this problem, just go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and then tap at your headphones at the device list. Now check if the software set didn't help you. We should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, you need to remove your earbuds from your case. Then at the back side of each earbud we have touch controls, and you need to press and hold both of them. Firstly, I recommend it to put them to your ears and then press and hold until you will hear the prompt power off. So let's do this. Power off. Now release your fingers and then press and hold again until you will hear the prompt device active. Firstly, these headphones turn on, then enter to pairing mode, so you will hear the prompt power on and then pairing, and then device active. So let's do this, press and hold, power on, now it's pairing, and device active. Then we can reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device button, or you may have forget button or forget device button or unpair or remove. And forget device. Your earbuds now removed from the phone. Then, if you have Android, click pair new device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at that button. After that, you'll find your headphones at the device list, because these headphones after factory reset enter to pairing mode, and tap on them. And that's it. We just reconnect them. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.